Today we are going to discuss some of the numericals of electric dipole. আজি আমি ইলেক্ট্রিক ডাইপোলৰ দুটামান নিউমাৰিকেল কৰিম। Find the electric field intensity at an axial and equatorial point. Find electric field intensity at axial and equatorial point 20 centimeter from the electric dipole. The electric dipole is shown in the figure. So it consists of two charges, 30 microcoulomb and minus 30 microcoulomb, separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. The electric dipole consists of two charges, 30 microcoulomb and minus 30 microcoulomb, separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. We have to find out electric field intensity at axial point. Axial points mean along the axis, and equatorial point means perpendicular to the dipole. 20 centimeter from the dipole. So what is Q? 30 microcoulomb. Microcoulomb means 10 to the power minus 6. So what is the magnitude of charge? Magnitude of either charge? It is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb. What is separation between two charges? Separation between two charges is taken as twice A. So what is the value of twice A? It is 1 centimeter, so 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Generally, electric dipole is defined by dipole moment. So what is P? P is the magnitude of dipole moment. Magnitude of dipole moment is equal to product of magnitude of charge, magnitude of one of the charge with separation between the two charges. What is the magnitude of charge? 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb. 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 coulomb. What is separation between two charges? Separation between two charges is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is the separation between two charges. So what is the dipole moment therefore? So this is minus 5, this is minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 7. So what is the unit of dipole moment? Coulomb meter. Coulomb for charge, meter for separation between the two charges. So unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. What is the expression of electric field intensity at an axial point? What is the expression of electric field intensity at an axial point? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 twice P by R cube. What is P? What is P? P is the electric dipole moment. What is R? R is the distance of axial point from center of electric dipole. So if I do this, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9 twice P, this is 2. P is equal to dipole moment 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. R is, what is the value of R? 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means 0.2 meter. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 whole cube. So if I do this calculation, it is this. 2 into 3, 6, 9. 2 cube is 8. 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power minus 7. This is 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3. If it go to the numerator, it is plus 3. So if we do the calculation, 6.5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. And what is the direction of electric field intensity? The direction of electric field intensity at axial point. Direction of electric field intensity at axial point is along the dipole axis. What is the direction of dipole? This is the dipole, so along this direction. So along the direction of dipole moment. Okay? So this is the electric field intensity at axial point. Now, what is electric field intensity at equatorial point? Electric field intensity at equatorial point is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P by R cube 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 9 into 10 to the power 9. P is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. R is 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 whole cube. So if I do the calculation, so E is 3.4 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Newton per coulomb. And what is the direction of dipole moment? What is the direction of dipole moment? The direction of dipole moment is opposite to the dipole axis. Opposite to the dipole moment. So in axial point, direction of electric field intensity is along the direction of dipole moment. Aru at equatorial point, it is opposite to the direction of dipole moment. Okay? So if you have any doubt, you go to the theory part of electric dipole. You see the expression of electric field intensity at an axial and at equatorial point. We know that electric field intensity at an axial point is along the direction of dipole moment, that is from negative to positive charge, or at equatorial point it is opposite to the dipole moment, Okay.